Hey everybody, Kyle here with Big Rig Chrome Shop, bringing you another product spotlight. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our brands, Blue Tiger. They do mostly electronics, but they specialize in headsets, which is going to be the majority of what we're looking at today. But they also do have a couple of new products out that we're going to be taking a look at as well. So at the end here we have the Pro Combat series. So this one is going to be the most affordable option. It does have 20 hours of talk time, 350 hours of standby, as well as the top noise cancellation and crystal clear sound that Blue Tiger is known for. Next up, we have their Advantage headset. So this one has 30 hours of talk time. It's got about 1,000 hours of standby, so it goes a really long time on just one charge. It does have an over-the-ear fit, and also comes with Bluetooth 5.0. And it has a 66-foot range on its Bluetooth. So you can be pretty far away from your device and still be able to stream or talk. Next one that we have here is the Advantage Plus. This one has slightly more. It's got 36 hours of talk time, over 1,000 hours of standby. This one fits on the ear and boasts a 100-foot range, so it's really getting up there, as well as it is military-grade construction. So next up, we have their Elite series. So this one's going to be the base model. This one has 34 hours of talk time, 600 hours of standby. It is an on-the-ear fit. It comes with Bluetooth 4.0, and it's got up to a 33-foot range, so you can still get pretty far away with it. So this next one is our Elite Plus model. It has most of the same specs as the previous one, just a couple differences. So this one actually has a 50-foot range on its Bluetooth, so you can be a little bit further away from your device while still listening. But the coolest feature about this one is it actually has the capability to switch between mono and stereo sound. So as you can see here, the base model just comes with the one headphone on the side there. Well, you can actually get this one and slides in just right on the side here. And there you go, it's clicked in, and now you have two, and you can listen in stereo sound. Lastly, we'll be going over a couple of the new products that Blue Tiger has. The first one is called the Hook. Well, this thing's actually pretty cool. You can bend it, it'll go any way. You can pretty much mount it on just about any surface in your truck and then use this to hang your headset. Well, it's pretty nice if you don't have a lot of space in your cab, or you can hang it on the side of your door, up on your visor. Lastly here we have the Blue Tiger headset case. So this thing is very nice. It's only 20 bucks. Gives you a little more security with it. As you can see, it'll fit any Blue Tiger headset in here. Also has some extra pockets if you have any accessories, extra microphone covers, ear cushions, anything like that. If you'd like to check out any of these products or anything else that we offer, go to our website at bigrigchromeshop.com, and don't forget to follow our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Thank you.